Hi guys, so in today's videos we'll be doing an unboxing or a review for this Transcend external drive, which has about 2 TB of storage, or about 2000 gigs of storage. So the external itself, it is equipped with USB 3.0 generation for portable hard drive. The external, on the exterior, it has about 3 layers or 3 stages of anti-shock protection. So the external, it has about this outer layer. Also there is another layer or other protection, which I hope must be a plastic one, but also there is another layer. So without wasting your time, let us get to open this one. So if you flip in here, you can see the seal is broken. So this I just broke myself for easy opening. So let us see what is inside. So flip this on the other side and then just pull this one up. Ooh. Okay, so this is our external drive, but still there are other plastic cases of protection. So I hope I have to lift this one. Okay, and then so here the external drive. I don't know if you can see. There are some information on the other side. So there is a barcode here. If you scan this barcode, you will get more information about this external drive. There is EAC. I think this is a certification company, if this product is environmental user friendly. On here, there is a port for 3.0 USB and a 3.1 USB generation. So here, there is some button here. I think this button is for backup or something else. Okay, so on the box will come with this plastic. Okay, let me turn this one. Okay, so this is the USB. On the other side is a 3.1 version. Okay, on the box in here it says there is quick installation guide. So I hope this might be a user manual or other related papers. Okay, so here it says quick installation guide for Transcend. There are some languages. There is English language. I don't think if I need this one, Okay, the other one, we have this one. It says scan QR code for more information. So okay, so here I get the message. So I think Transcend, apart from being a manufacturer of these external drives, I think they have other accessories such as the body cam and the dash cams. Yeah, so for body cams and dash cams. Also there's I think they have car lighter, the hard drive and other stuff, adhesive mount. Yeah, I see. So these are body cams and the dash cams, which are produced by Transcend. Anyway, I think I don't need this one. Let me see if we have another one which will be useful for us. Oh, there we go. So it's nothing. So here it says external storage and a solid state drives. So this is our external storage, but I think also Transcend, they do produce, or they manufacture solid state drive. So anyway, let us see what this paper holds. So here it says the free download of SSD scope software. So these are SSDs which are produced for Transcend. I think they offer other services like personal cloud storage. Okay, they produce all of these are SSDs which are produced by Transcend. These are upgrades for Mac computers. I don't use Mac, I use a Windows version one. Also, they have different types of SSDs. Anyway, I don't think so, but for us, I think our Transcend is this one, which is storage 2 terabyte up to 4, but this one is 2 terabyte. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please do me a favor, subscribe to this YouTube channel, ring that notification bell so you won't miss other update for future videos, and please, thanks.